you keep popping into some conversations, talking to our clients and prospects as well. When you hear those conversations, we listen to those people. How do you take that information and use it later to kind of change the trajectory of how things are going to match our clients' needs?
I think it's an excellent question. It's really the voice of the customer, right? So it's our responsibility not only to listen to our clients and what they're saying, but our prospects alike. So we gather that information, take it back to the powers that be, evaluate it from a global executive team perspective, and really start to map out processes and services that really support that direction that we're going. We continue to make investments into the organization. Even, during COVID, we made pretty significant CapEx expenditures and made sure that we were staying relevant and that we were progressing. And we continue to do that now and into the future based on that feedback that we're getting.